안녕하세요. Hello K friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to introduce 감자채전 shredded potato pancake. Sometimes we get tired of eating the same foods, so when that happens, try making 감자채전. The crispy texture and savory flavor are absolutely delicious. Shall we start the cooking together? Today's ingredients are really simple. All you need are 2 potatoes. The onion is optional. Slice the potatoes as thinly as possible. Slice thinly. This way the texture will be crispy and the pancake will cook evenly. If you find it difficult to slice, you can also use a vegetable slicer. Soak the sliced potatoes in water and remove the starch by hand. When you make potato pancakes after washing them with water, they become much crispier. Place the sliced potatoes on a strainer and remove the water. Slice the onion thinly. When you add onions to the potato pancake, the sweetness and aroma of the onion go well with the potato dish. Put the sliced potatoes in a bowl. Add the onion. Put 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix well. This step will release moisture from the potatoes and make the pancake crispier. Let it sit for about 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, heat a pan and add about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. It's good to use a little more oil for a crispier texture. The potatoes have released this much water. Squeeze out the water by hand, then put the potatoes in the pan. Use a spoon or a spatula to shape the potato pancakes and press them well. Cook on high heat for about 1 minute at first, then cook on medium heat for about 3 minutes. Since we added salt to brine the potatoes, you don't need to add more salt. Once the bottom of the potato slices become crispy, flip over. Ta-da! Look at this! The surface is very crispy. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Can you hear the crispy sound? Shaping them into rounded shapes makes them look prettier. Cook on medium heat for another 3 to 4 minutes. If the potato pancakes are fully cooked, sprinkle some chopped scallions or parsley on top for a more appetizing appearance. This is optional. Serve on a plate. Wow, it looks so delicious. The smell is also amazing. When you eat it, it's best to cut it with a knife and eat it one by one.
Let me have a bite. Outside is so crunchy, inside is so soft. The texture is awesome.
How was today's recipe? It was really simple and easy, isn't it? I hope you give it a try. If you think the video was useful, please hit the like and subscription button. I will see you next week. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.